There are so many types of kicks. Today we're going to talk about side kick. Let's take some 3 main or popular side kick. Choose the one that works good for you. Practice it over and over and works. There are some instances that certain kicks doesn't work. It doesn't, learning the kick doesn't guarantee you that you can use it everywhere or, win a fight with it. No. Sometimes it doesn't work, or the opponent have to be in a particular stance before that kick can work for you. For instance, a side kick that comes from here, that raises from this direction and to go. Most times, if you are not careful, the person comes with speed. The person comes with speed. You get it? It push you away. That side kick, most times, if you don't stand well, it may push you away, because from this direction, there in with the side, the blade side of the leg, sometimes if you are not in a good stance, it may throw you away. It doesn't mean it's not effective. It's very effective when you get the person at the right spot, because provided if I get this way to the throat with this kick, it's very dangerous. It can kill because it can break the throat tissue. Another way, standing in the 50-50 direction of kick, the same side kick, is when the person turns this way as if he's going back. So as the opponent comes close, the person kicks with a heel. The person kicks, or you kick with a heel. This time round, because you're already facing this direction, even if the person bumps into you, and pushes you, you can still go this way without falling, because you are already facing that direction. So that is another way. People also sometimes kick the side kick using the flat side, the bottom of the feet this way, just straight this way, without maybe bending the feet. Straight that way. It depends on how you stand, and it depends on how or where you want to kick. So side kicks comes with its own advantage and disadvantages depending on the opponent that you are meeting. Sometimes fighting a skilled person and unskilled person or an untrained person on the street differs, because all of them have their own way or style of fighting. So you need to know the type of kicks or the type of techniques that you use on the street fight, because street fight has no respect for anyone.